Well, ask yourself these questions. Are you getting a regular monthly report of your financials? Are you getting responses to emails and text messages within 24 hours? Is rent getting collected and are you getting paid every month? Are your repairs done promptly? Are you hearing about potential problems?
Most property owners think that property management is just about collecting rent maybe once a month, but what would you say they're missing?
So rent collection is a huge part of it, but it's actually probably only about 5% of what we do on a daily basis. Behind the scenes, there's tenant screening, staying on top of the maintenance, handling all of the legal issues, dealing with evictions, what happens at the lease renewal and the inspection process, accounting, the list goes on. Would say it can get overwhelming pretty quickly. It can be stressful. It can be like, oh gosh, what do I do? Who do I call first kind of situation. Common mistakes can be missing rent increases, security deposit disposition errors, delayed maintenance issues, which can cause like major expenses later.
I think about the amount of noise in my life. Is that volume knob turned up or is it turned down because that vendor or that property manager in this case is protecting me from it?
Yeah, so a good property manager will be proactive, transparent, keep you informed, let you know what's going on if there's a problem, right? And sometimes they say, like, well, I haven't heard from anybody.
The funny thing about Patriot Property Management is we started this company because I had a few rentals and it became overwhelming to manage it, personal property owner and managing it alongside Cassie. We figured we better build out the systems and the models and hire the people, and then decided to scale it and bring those services to everyone else. So we know what it's like firsthand to manage on our own before you actually have the tools and resources to go make it happen.
We are full time. We have systems. We do these systems day in and day out, rinse and repeat on a daily basis. Our teammates are trained. It is our business and we treat it as such. If you want to just collect rents in your sleep and not have to worry about all of those things that we talked about.
At Patriot Property Management, we make certain that that's never going to be a challenge with you. If you want to talk about your property and how we can assist, please reach out today. Thank you.